Hi guys, it's EPS, and today we'll be doing a video on Make It Rain. Yay! I've started a new account because my old one had 200 kbb, but I want to do this with you guys on the channel. So I bought a special pack which gave you 3 of them, a couple, like 150 of them. Something else, I can't quite remember. I swear it was all of these or something. No, well, I guess. But these pounds. So I've got 8 million. Get starter. Yay. Actually, it didn't cost that much, guys. I'm giving a shout out to this game. If you want to play it, then go play it. Yeah. Pretty much all I have to say, I guess. I'm saving up, guys. I'm saving up for this. Forever gold. Right here. Golden bills. Forever. I'm saving up. 10 years later, I finally got it. The game's all done. Oh God. Okay, this is gonna betting game as well if you like risks. So thank you. Thank you.
Look at this money, birthday. Hey, look at this money. Hey.
You are so bad at that game. You even done it. Psst, if you can hear that in the background, you're good hearing skills. Because I don't hear. You have bad hearing skills. Why are you crying? You little baby.
Mine's like 500 million or 500 billion.
Your dreams.
100k.
Your dreams. Heh, 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 heh. Oat Mac.
I'm gonna watch YouTube instead. I'm gonna watch Book of Cairn.
Okay.
Yeah.
You brother! Oh! Oh God! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 Oh God! What do I do? I know what I do. Starts. I'm gonna fail this. I don't know what I am. That's the problem. This hurts. This really actually hurts. I can't do it. No. No. This hurts. This hurts. I have to do that. I have nothing else to do. Again. Wasted that. about £2. By 2 quid, I mean like 2.50. By that I mean like 2.35. Yeah. Yeah. What?
What don't you have to do?
What do I do? I'll go on here. No, I can't. Actually, I can, but I don't care. Guys, comment down what you want me to get. And not the insane blast. Not the forever gold, because I cannot do that. Not any of the warp, please. You can do a 3-hour warp. I don't really want to waste my piggies, because they're my piggy boys. Oh, let's go. I think I'm joking. How could this happen to me? I made a mistake. Get no. Yeah, I don't know. Most popular business. Money. What do you want me to get? Okay then. You would say that. Oh my god! 1.05 an hour? I only have 1 million. Yay! Happy days for my first. I get my buckets, and you watch me. And you watch me do a video. So guys, thank you for watching my awesome I don't know how to say it. I forgot. I'm lost for words. My awesome get rich quick scheme on Make It Rain. Yeah, guys, I might do this. I'm thinking of getting 100 subscribers. Never! Please subscribe! If I get 100 subscribers, please subscribe. I might actually do a giveaway.
Yeah.
£10 giveaway, maybe. Please subscribe! Thank you!
Hey, Barrel goes past.
What?
No, in the desert. No, don't worry.
What?
Comment down if you know what I mean.
What is that? Guys, I might do a giveaway from 100 subs. You don't know. Oh yeah. Get on that, hit that subscribe button, and you might have it. Because if I get 100 subscribers, there's a 1 in 100% chance you'll get it, and that's actually pretty high. Because when the YouTubers do it with all their 10 billion subs, cough 10 million, you're like, no way you're gonna get it. I'm just saying. I've done that lots of times and I kind of failed, and yeah, so yeah. But I might do like a 51, I don't know, but I think I will do a 100 subscriber giveaway, probably. I'll get a new, if you want to see that, just comment, I guess. You can't like the video and say, hey, I want a Google Play card or iTunes card if you like the video. You can't just do that. So comment down. If you can't comment, get on your other phone or tablet or iPad or something. I just say cool. Please sub. So yeah, I will see you soon, I guess. Remember that video. Have any friends? Because I don't. I'm just saying. If you have any.
Yes, me.
You're not my friend. Tell your friends. Tell anyone you know to get this. And if they win, you could convince them to give that thing, the Google Play card or the iTunes, whatever you want, to them. How will I be doing it, you may ask? Well, if you have a channel, I'll probably go onto it and type in the actual things. For example, 9MJO fingerspace K62Y. Stuff like that. I'll probably comment it down on a YouTube channel. If you don't have a YouTube channel, make one for this. Get your £10, and then yeah, get your £10 and then delete the channel. I'm joking, because yeah.
See, man.
So I'll see you in the next video, I guess. Pretty soon actually. Probably, because I've got screen recording. Thanks. See you in the next video. Bye.